Hi, it's Pam, Pamela Pace at Purely Pam. And today I wanted to tell you and show you something that when I moved to Nevada, having lived in LA for 10 years, was one of the things that I looked forward to more than anything. And it took us almost 2.5 years to find the best Mexican food in Nevada, as far as I'm concerned. And it's just this little joint. It's called the TacoMan, and it sits off of Eastern and Henderson. It is phenomenal food. I mean, very, very good Mexican food. And I don't know why it was hard to find Mexican food in Nevada, but for some reason, Californians that move here say the same thing. It's very hard to find really good Mexican food in Nevada. But we found it, and it's well worth going down and checking it out. I'm going to show you some pictures of the food we just got, and then I'm going to take you down and show you TacoMan. Frank and I ordered the taco plate, which consists of 3 tacos, and you can see them here, rice and beans. And then I ordered the adobo. Oh, look at that. The adobo burrito, cilantro, cheese. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. Pork, guacamole, you name it, it's in there, and it is so good. They do a special kind of burrito where they put French fries in, and people seem to go crazy over it. So Frank, what do you think about it?
Stop taking pictures of my food.
Stop taking pictures of my food. He loves it. Trust me, he loves it. Really good rice and beans, isn't it, babe?
Very good.
Very good.
The man can cook.
Say it one more time.
Two's all I get. Union rules.
Say it one more time.
The man can cook.
Hi everybody, it's Pam, Pamela Pace at Purely Pam. We're out here today at TacoMan, one of the places I've been telling you about. This is terrific tacos, terrific Mexican food. So it's off of Eastern, is right out here in front of us. And I'm gonna go in and we're gonna hopefully get to talk to the owner, let him tell you a little bit about it. Okay, you can see here, you can watch as they cook the food. Unbelievably great. Everything up there. Everything's clean. I like that about it. It's very clean looking. I'll give you a shot of the They even have flan and different desserts. This is something they've added here in the last couple of months. You can see they do their own chip here. Have a terrific salsa bar. You can see they have seating here inside. I come at the off hours. I purposely did that so it wouldn't be full. Usually there's every table in the place is almost taken, but I planned it this way. The owner, Rocco, wasn't able to join us today. He was on a call, and I understand. I got to talk to some of the people here in TacoMan. I'm telling you, this is a great, great Mexican restaurant. If you want some good Mexican food in Nevada, this is where you come. I'm gonna shoot one more time the menu. Ladies, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.